welcome to a little gentle journaling session. I'm going to be making some happy mail, postcards and envelopes, and also playing in this little winter journal. Come join us. All the pages are out on this. It's in with elastic, that's what I mean. So I can get them out and pop them on under the machine. So I'm just backing this little quote from Lala with some of the fabric. A lovely blessing from Lala. May you be enveloped in love's warmth, comforted by the peace that surrounds you, and supported by those who care for you, bringing solace and positive energy into your life, and may you find serenity in all that you do. Oh, thanks, Lala. And the little bird from Karen, I can fold this up and pop it in there. It didn't stick down properly the other day, and I thought, oh, that's fine because it can become a pocket. We got absolutely soaking this morning on our walk. It's nice to be here and dry up a bit.
Fat boy he's got.
Yeah.
There's loads of booted.
I'm not picking, and the squirrel, I'm not picking up the blue tits. Oh, you can see them I can see them flying.
It's on the bottom feeder.
Yes, yes. Oh, they're lovely. They're little Freddy. Hello. I have a little piece of calendar left, so I'm going to make a little mini envelope to pop on the penguin page we did. It's so handy to have the pages out so you can work with them. Look, they're just on one elastic. Here's the cover, just a folded over Jaffa cake box really, and then the elastic for the pages, and I've got the pages spread out over here, ready to be embellished. I've been saving up all the ephemera as well. Time to put it together. It's a little birdhouse on the front. It's just because I've got Seraphina out today, because I was doing the envelopes, but this can all be done with your favourite glue. Definitely. I'm just making a wobbly stitch. Yeah, just do what makes your heart happy. I just fancied playing with the machine. Playing in this little journal. That's it. I'll make a little card to go in that little mini envelope. There is nothing stronger in the world than gentleness. Well, who does that say that's by? Han Soyen. Thanks for that, sending that, Kat. Some washi tape on a card from Alison. Thank you, Alison. Just nice to add the washi tape. Love that. Make a little tab, I think, as well. Always is so tired when he's got wet from the river and the rain. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? Oh, I'm just so enjoying piling page after page. Put it all together. Of course it's going to be far too big, but yeah, I've definitely had a relaxing time. Oh, and yes, it is a Christmas jumper, but I'm calling it my winter jumper. You get so attached to some jumpers, don't you? Yeah, Bob, with my lights. No, he's finally, that's
Finally?
not... Oh no, I didn't mean it like that. Finishing off the back door. That's it, lights, camera, action. I've got some card and some fabric and the last of the little fabric ribbon paper I made. Let's make some postcards. I think I'm going to try that sewing machine you did, that you bought me at Christmas, Bob. Just because I'm going to put that on, but everything's nice. I love the dots and the stripes. And then onto the thread saver. I think this one's going to make like a nice little house roof on a piece of slow stitching. Lacy bit here. La 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 la. My singing builder. Around these calendar envelopes that we made on the live on Monday. Oh, it wasn't a live in the end because it wouldn't work, would it? Ben's been round to see if he can sort out, hopefully I can go live. It's lovely to get all these little bits and pieces of jobs done, isn't it? What are you up to, Flo? Oh, you're writing a postcard. Lovely, me too. I love making postcards, Flo. Let me know when it's finished, won't you? And we can get that posted. I've done one of these envelopes. And of course, look, I've done true form to me. I've done it upside down.
Yay!
I know, it's just like me, isn't it?
You still send it.
I can still send it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. There's Bob, not doing much building, standing there chatting, are you?
I'm cleaned up.
Oh, you're done.
Today.
Here we are, Mo. I've got 2 envelopes and 2 postcards. Mo's in charge of Happy Mail, aren't you? Can you hold on to that for me? And we'll sort that out and write those sometime. Oh, shall I put it down there for you, Mo? Oh, lovely. Oh, well done, Mo. Serafina. All the little scrips and scraps ready for the next little scrips and scraps project. Oh, Flo, you're busy sewing as well. Can I have a look? Just with those little scrips and scraps of the ribbon, you've made a little heart. Oh, I love that. And an envelope to go with it. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. Safe journey, little postcard. Oh, I've got my owl cup. It only seemed fitting, didn't it, for today. I've got that nighttime owl tea as well. It's delicious. Ooh, Ben came last night. He bought these. Oh, they're so nice. This is an American biscuit. These are from Lidl, but they're pretend Oreos. We never had Oreos growing up. And these ones, oh, love them. Chocolate coated. They come in these handy little bags as well. So Sam's here, so we'll have those with a cup of tea in a minute. He'll one each. There'll be something for Fred in a minute as well. Oh, I so appreciate you spending this time with us. I really do. Let's light a candle. It's just a little bit of time in this busy and confusing world. Just for a bit of reflection, slowing down our thoughts in the silence. Take care, everyone. Bye. Some of these, darling. Oh, that's it. Move myself up a bit.
You're looking quite happy though.
We're playing a game, and Mum's playing with her twin. Look, they're just the same.
I know.
Does she have a? She needs a little brooch like
She's
that.
got a brooch.
Oh, she's got a brooch as well.
Yeah.
It's
She
brooch
has.
though, but yeah. Oh.
Yeah. I think she might help me.
She needs
Good
to.
luck charm.
Mum needs the help.
Welcome home. I'm losing, by the way.
This one, hold on, this one's broken here.
It's the Great British Biscuit Challenge.
Biscuit off.
Biscuit off. Freddie's got his own special biscuit. So yeah, we've got how many supermarkets? 7.
7 supermarket biscuits.
Yeah, and we're going to do a taste test. Marks and Spencer's have an M&S on
I
there.
didn't even
So
get the Vitty's one, so I probably should have done that,
Oh.
shouldn't I?
are they the actual original
Well, I think
people?
I don't know. Who invented the custard cream?
I don't know. Right, he's off.
Like Biscuit.
Yeah.
If you're Tim, he did Dunkability.
Oh yeah, Dunkability.
I'm not really about Dunkability. But,
Ben thinks they'll taste the same.
I probably will.
Dunker, what do you think? What do you think, Freddie?
Half of doing it now.
No, I can't do it now.
Oh.
So this is my scoring sheet, and the boys think it's really good.
Very messy.
Well, we've got a lot of things on here. No sliding of cream, less cream. I mean, it's all serious stuff. One had some crunchy salt in it. Ben said quite sweet. I mean, you know, we're pretty good biscuit critics, I think.
Very good.
Nikki said, nice biscuit.
So what's the verdict then, Mum?
The verdict. Oh, the verdict was that the M&S ones were better. But Tesco's came in second.
Yeah, it is. You're not pointing at it, yeah.
I know. Oof, I'm exhausted.